You're most welcome to Skill Bridge Institute. We are still on project management, and right now we are going to discuss about Gantt charts and project scheduling tools. So for talking about Gantt chart, we need to understand that this one, it is a visual timeline showing tasks, duration, as well as dependencies in a project. So it has got horizontal bars. These bars, they represent tasks on your calendar. So the bars represents tasks on your calendar. For example, you are doing website development. So on website development, you have got tasks like designing. So that means designing will be presented like a bar. Coding will be presented like a bar. Testing will be presented like a bar. From there, let's understand benefits of Gantt chart. Number one, there is clear visualization. So you are able to properly see wherever you are, wherever you're coming from, to wherever you are going. Another one, it is track progress. So you are able to track wherever the progress of your project. Another one, you are able to identify dependencies. So you are able to see the connection between different activities or between different tasks in your project. Another one is that it improves communication. So in this one, it is very easy to communicate with the stakeholders because you can just hold a meeting and beam a projector showing your Gantt charts. Then the stakeholders will be able to understand wherever you're coming from, wherever you are, and wherever you are going. Let's talk about project scheduling tools. So these are tools that are used to plan, track, as well as manage project schedules. So for talking of these tools, these are simple softwares which are installed in computers. So these particular softwares, they are used for planning, tracking, as well as managing project schedules. So for example, Gantt charts are written inside these particular softwares. Things like work breakdown structure are written in these softwares. Budgets are written inside these softwares. So examples are Microsoft Project. So this one, it is another very good one. So things like Gantt chart can be written here, and other resource tracking documents. Asana is another software. So it is user friendly and it has got scheduling as well as tracking items inside it. Then I've got another one that is Trello. So that one, it has got visual task organization with scheduling add-ons. Another software, it is Smartsheet. So this one has got a spreadsheet function where you can draw whatever you want to draw on your project. From there, I've got Google, Excel, as well as spreadsheet. So that one, it is simple and customizable scheduling options. So what are the benefits of using these particular softwares? Number one, visualize timeline and dependencies. So you are able to see whatever you are doing at that particular moment, and you're even able to see the dependencies, the relationship between different tasks in your project. Another one, you're able to track progress effectively. So it is very easy to track how you're progressing on your project. Another one, it enhances team communication and collaboration. It is very easy to communicate using something which has been properly written in these particular softwares. Let's talk about key components of a Gantt chart. Number one, it has got tasks. So tasks, these are activities to be completed. Number two, it has got timeline. So here we're talking of calendar. It is talking about where your project is starting to where it is ending. Another one has got bars, which represents duration. From there, I've got dependencies. These are done by arrows. From there, I've got milestones. These are things that you want to achieve, or the deadlines that you want to achieve in your project. Here is an example of a Gantt chart. So let's say you have a project and you want to draw a Gantt chart in one of those softwares, so you can draw something like this one. So you can have here, you can have tasks. So I've got task number 1 up to task number 6. From here I've got a calendar where we are starting date up to here date number 6. From here I've got where we are ending. Then from there I've got a work breakdown structure here from number 1 up to number 6. So work breakdown structure, it is most similar to the tasks. Then here I've got another calendar from January up to July. From there we have got bars, here black bars. These are representing the tasks on a calendar. So for example, here we have got this particular task is starting somewhere early January up to somewhere early March. So then this one, it is linked by this particular line to another second task, which is represented by another bar line here. And this one, it is running from somewhere where end January up to somewhere close to end March. Then this particular, it is connected by this particular black line here, and it is going to another black line here. So this particular one, it is running from somewhere February up to somewhere April. But on this one, you can see that we have got somewhere like a white bar. That white bar shows progress. Shows what? Progress. And you can see here I've got a star. This particular star represents milestone. That means reaching here, the project manager has got a milestone that at this particular moment, they want to see something that is around the April end. They want to see something tangible on their project. Then it goes on and on. So these lines, they are showing how tasks are depending on each other. So that is what we need to understand on Gantt charts. How to create a Gantt chart? Number 1, you need to list tasks. So identify all activities in your project. From there, you estimate duration. Oh, this task can take how long? Then from there, you set dependencies. You see which task we're going to start first. From there, which will come next, third one, fourth one, then you go on and on. From there, you add to charts. That means now you put it inside your software, whether Microsoft project, Trello, spreadsheet, or whatever. Then you track and adjust. From there, you track as your project is when you'll be checking the progress itself. Let's talk about best practices for Gantt chart. Number 1, you need to keep it simple. So make sure that when you're writing a Gantt chart, it should be something that people can easily understand. Another one, you need to involve team members. So you need to share with people whenever you're constructing it. Make sure that you have got a certain people, team members should be available when you are doing it. Monitor regularly. So you should always try to track the progress in your Gantt chart. Be flexible. So that means whenever there is need for change, please do so. From there, you need to integrate tools. Then you need to combine it with the calendar and trackers for efficiency. So when you are writing your Gantt chart, make sure that you even incorporate calendars in it, as you have already seen. Thank you so much.